At this point, we have to do something more. We are asked to create a new worksheet named Towns, in which we insert the list of all the towns and then we compute through the function uh, average the average income for each town without distinction between males and females. So we create a new worksheet called Towns and we copy in the cell A1 the list of all the towns that we have in this in the calculations worksheet. So we really copy the column, we go in towns and we paste it. And what we do now is using in the data menu the tool remove duplicates. So in this way, we have only like the list of all the towns in a single copy, let's say. So these are our towns, and then we can work on the average income without the distinction males and females. So we don't have to add anything more. So what we do is we use the function average if. The range is in calculation here from C2 to C26, so the town column. Then we go back on the town sheet and we put A2 as the reference, like the criteria we want to check in the range column. And then the average range, as before, is the one, like the real data we're interested in. So the total income from work. We close the parentheses before, as always, we lock the cells this way. And then we see that for Milan, the average income is this one. We can just simply drag down the function for all the other cities, because here, as you can see in the formula, we put A2, which is Milan, as we change row, it changes here as well. So the city changes, but all the rest is the same. So Excel always look for the town in the same column as before and computes the average in the same column as before. So this is done. We can put the currency sign here just to make it clearer. At this point, copy the main table available in the calculation worksheet, pasting it in the towns worksheet, starting from cell A12. So this is cell A12. The main table, I guess, is this one. So we copy it and we paste it here. After having deleted the conditional formatting from all the cells, use the subtotals tool to calculate blah blah blah. So okay, first of all, we delete the conditional formatting in this way. We go to conditional formatting menu, then clear rules, from selected cells. So it's all clean. And then before using the function subtotal, we have to order the towns in a ascending or descending order. This is not important, just because when we use the subtotal tool, there should be like a grouping of some kind. So since the text is and for a change for each town, compute the average number of hours dedicated to home and family and to work, we need to sort the towns in order that at a change in town we can tell Excel to compute something. So now we select the table, we go on data and outline and subtotal tool, and we say the change in town, because this is what we are asked. Use the function average to hours dedicated to family and to work. We don't check this one because otherwise every time we apply another filter it will delete the one that we previously put, and I guess like this is okay. So as you can see, in London there's an average for hours dedicated to work and to family, while total income and total hours are not really taken into account. Same for Milan as and for all the other cities. We are now asked to show only the level 2 of the table. So we just click on the 2 so that we have like clear vision uh, of the computation. Actually, another things we can do is to reduce the um, decimal digits that are here in this way, because hours are better seen as integers, and 0.4 is done. Now, last but not least, calculating a new column of the calculation worksheet, the hourly wage for each former classmates of George based on the income from work and on the hours dedicated to work. So so we create a new column, hourly wage. That is, I'd say, the total income from work divided the total hours, so that we get like the wage per hour. Is this number, we do the same as before, like we reduce the decimal digits maybe to like, and we put the currency sign and extend it to all the rest. At this point, find out how much the total income of his old classmate would have been if all the invested hours had been paid, not just those dedicated to work, but also those dedicated to home and family. To do this, use a single function to calculate the hypothetical overall income of this entire class by using the hourly wages calculated and the total hours of commitment. So, possible income, let's say, maybe possible total income. And so we create the new column possible total income, and we compute the possible total income just as the hourly wage times the total hours of work. We drag the function down as always, and what else? I think we finished with like all the computation we needed to do. What we have to do now is just to better organize our file in order that it's more readable and the clearest possible. So what we do is we change the headers in this way. And then these are hours, but this is income, so we change it with the currency sign like this, and we can bring all the tables we have here below. We can bring the tables we have here, we just move them down here so it is more readable. We do the same as before, so these are hours. Now we have okay, and we put the graph here. Okay, so that overall what we have is this. Well, this is a bit too small, but you can see it's much better. And we do the same for town, so we just organize the headers before. Oh, forgot this one. And do the same here. Okay, so we are finished. Thank you.